In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your first trade on MetaTrader 5. If you don't know what MetaTrader 5 MetaTrader 5 is basically a platform which you use to analyze the market and place your trades. And the money that you make inside of MetaTrader 5 is going to be added to your broker's account where you can withdraw it if you make your profits. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to download MetaTrader 5. To download MetaTrader 5, you go to the Play Store and you search for MetaTrader 5. Once you do that, you are going to see an application which looks like this. Once you get this application, you want to install it in your phone. Once you install this, you can just open. Now, when you open this platform for the first time, it's going to tell you to connect your account to your broker's account. If you want to learn how to do that step by step, I've created a video that I'm going to link at the end of this video.
Hey, real quick, if you're struggling to make money in the market, then I'm here to help you. You see, this coming Saturday, we are hosting a free workshop where I'm going to be pulling the curtains and showing you everything that I do and that you need to become profitable in the market. Make sure you check out the link in the description or pinned comments, and I'm going to see you on Saturday.
So firstly, let's say that you have created your account, if you have connected your account, right? So the next thing that you want to do is, if you click on these three buttons right here, you're going to see your account on this part right here. Now, there's a few things that you want to know here. The quotes page here is where you see all the instruments that you can place your trades on, right? So you can see in this account, we have all the major currency pairs, and then we have also gold and Bitcoin. We can also add other instruments by clicking the plus sign, and then you click on the markets, and you can see you can add commodities, crypto, forex, and indices, right? If you want to use the same broker as me, I'll leave a link in the description below. Now, the next window that you want to look at is the charts window. The charts window is where you see the historical data of the market. This, what you can see here, are called candlesticks. Candlesticks shows you the historical data. It's basically the visual representation of what the market have been doing. So it shows you the opening price, the closing price, the high and the low of any time frame. So for example, if you go here to where it says time frames, right? If I go to D1, which means the daily time frame, these candlesticks right here are showing me the opening price, the closing, the high and the low of each day, right? So you can look at this and see if the market is going up or down. In this case, I've changed the colors of mine, but if the candle is green here, the market have been going up for that day, and if the candle is black here, the market have been going down for that day. On your MetaTrader, it might be some colors, but you can change these colors by clicking here on the center of the screen, go to settings, and then you go to colors at the bottom, and you can change these colors. But I'm not going to go deep into that. I'm going to show you how you place your first trade. So to place your first trade here on MetaTrader 5, you need a strategy that works best for beginners, right? So I have a lot of strategies that I share with. I will leave the links in the description of this video, but you can use any of these strategies. So I'm going to just insert some indicators, and I'm going to show you a simple strategy for complete beginners, right? So if you go to indicators, main chart, right? The first thing that I want to do is I want to add the MACD, right? I'm going to add the MACD, and I'm going to leave the colors to default, and then I'm going to go ahead and add another indicator. So I'm just going to do this first. I'm going to show you what these indicators are in a minute. So after this, we just go and add the moving average. Okay, so I've added some indicators, and you can see I have some indicators right here at the bottom right here, right? So let's say according to my strategy, right, I was supposed to buy somewhere right here and made all the profits when the market gone to the upside. In this case, I'm likely to get a sell trade right there, right? So I'm going to share this strategy with you. But let's say I wanted to sell, right? The next thing that you want to know is which lot size are you going to be using? Now, your lot size is going to depend on your account size. For me, this account right here is a funded account. So it have got a $25,000 balance, but then I have some rules which I have to follow with this account, right? But let's say I wanted to sell with this account, right? I wanted to place a sell trade. What you want to do is you want to increase your lot size, right? So for me, I'll increase the lot size. For you, you have to calculate the lot size. Now to calculate the lot size, you need to know, okay, I'm entering at this point where the market is, and then I'm going to put my stop loss all the way above right here. So how many pips are there from my entry to my stop loss? So for me, I'm just going to risk 20 pips right here. So for each pip, I'm going to risk $10, right? For 20 pips, that's $200, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use a lot size of 1.00, which is a standard lot. And then once you choose your lot size, you place right here on the top right here. You can see on the middle is where I'm changing the lot size right there. And then once I do this, you have the sell button and the buy button. If you don't see these buy buttons, you can go to your settings. If you click right here, go to your settings, and then you can change if you want to get these buy buttons on the screen. When you click here where it says one click panel at the bottom, you can do that. You can click there and then the button is going to come. You can also click this button here at the top of the top right corner right there, right? And then you can be able to get these buttons right there. So once I click sell right here, you can see that I've clicked sell, and then I'm now in a trade which is a sell trade right there. So just have to one click right here. Now after this, you need to be able to place your stop loss and take profit, right? So to add the stop loss, all you have to do is click on the screen right on the trade, right? So I'm talking about this point right here on the trade right there on that line. All you have to do is click on that line, and then you're going to see this pop up right here, and then click on stop loss. And then if you drag this up and down, it's going to show you the amount of money that you are risking right there. So you can see if I put it here, it's $27. And then I'm just going to keep going to the upside until I find the perfect point that I want to put. So I'm going to put my stop loss right there so that I can risk $198 in this trade if it goes the wrong direction. So you can change this, or you can just put it like that. And then I can go again and click on TP right on this button. And then my take profit have to be bigger than my biggest loss. So I'm going to put $300 as my take profit. And then I'm just going to click modify like this. Once I click modify like this, you can see that I now have a trade that I have got a stop loss and a take profit. So if the market goes against me, which means going up, I'm going to lose $198. If it goes down to my take profit, I'm going to make $300 on this trade. That's basically how you place your first trade on MetaTrader 5. If you want to learn this strategy of the indicators that I've placed on the chart right here, I have a complete video showing you that, and that video is appearing on the screen right now. If you can't see it on the screen, click the link in the description below.